Hi everyone, this is Christine Oshu. I'm here to share a simple, powerful tool to help you shift from sadness into inner joy, and that is smiling. When we smile, our lips turn up, our muscles and our cheeks are affected, and suddenly we're creating these endorphin, these feel-good chemicals like serotonin and dopamine that create this happier mood in our body because our body is all interconnected. We have neural pathways that come from our gut into our heart, into our brain. So when we smile, our body associates that with happiness and joy. So whether it's fake or not, just by smiling, you can start to shift into that emotion. And if you can make it a habit, like smile right after you brush your teeth in the morning, look at yourself in the mirror and smile, try to hold a smile for 30 seconds. You'll be amazed at the shift. And then smile at somebody else because you're most likely to get a smile back. So wishing you much love and joy.